Sir, may I come in?
No.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Aditi. Please have a seat, Aditi.
Thank you, sir.
Now, you are from Kota, isn't that?
Yes, sir.
First of all, let us know what is the meaning of Aditi.
So, Diti means ends. Aditi means which does not have end. So, Aditi personifies the infinite cosmos in our mythology. She is the mother of all the Adityas, the gods like Sun, Indra. And so, she is the mother of all the things that exist in the
Okay.
universe.
There was a sister of Aditi,
Yes, sir. Diti.
Diti.
Yes, sir.
What was she? Mother of who?
Sir, can you please repeat?
No. Aditi was mother of all the gods. And Diti?
So, Diti was the mother of Daityas.
Okay. Now, you come from Kota.
Yes.
Kota has been famous for all the bad reasons recently. But what is the good reason to be famous about Kota?
Sir, Kota is a very nice place. So, it has a combination of both the traditional as well as natural beauty, and it is also very modernized. So, when we visit Kota, we have the Chambal River, on which there is a riverfront, which is very beautiful. So, we also have all the have 4 types of power infrastructure in the Kota district. And so,
What are they? Are they thermal or are they hydel?
So there is thermal. So there is hydel power. So there was also a gas plant of NTPC in Anta district, which is currently not operationalized. And so there is also a nuclear power plant, but which is in Rawat Bhata, which is near to Kota.
Okay. Now, I understand your father works in Kali Sindh thermal power plant.
Yes, sir.
What is its installed capacity and what is its real output?
Sir, I currently do not know the exact figure, but it was 725 megawatt.
Okay. And what is he there?
So he's a superintendent engineer in coal handling plant.
So you didn't plan to follow the footsteps of your father?
Sir, I did become engineer because he motivated me. But sir, my branch was mathematics and computing. And sir, it was not electrical.
Well, in mathematics, if you permit, I would like to pose a very, very small, very simple question. Listen to me carefully. I repeat, carefully. If 2 men and 4 women construct a wall in 5 days, in how many days 4 men and 6 women would construct the same wall?
Sir, sorry, can you please repeat it again?
No, if a wall is constructed by 2 men and 3 women in 5 days, how many days will it take if we employ 4 men and 6 women to construct the same wall?
So it would take the half amount that it was being taken previously.
You didn't get my question? Construct the same wall. What does it mean? Wall has already been constructed.
Sorry, sir.
Right? Okay. Right. Now let us see. You love long distance cycling.
Yes, sir.
So how many kilometers you do in one go?
Sir, maximum I have done 100 kilometers in a day.
In a day, you have done that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, where to where?
Sir, in Kota. So Rawat Bhata is around 50 kilometers from.
Okay, and you are in acrylic
painting
and wall art.
Yes, sir.
Can you name a few famous wall art painters in the world? Wall art, graffiti or murals or?
Sir, I did normal mural. So it was a competition in our Rendezvous festival.
And then after that, you kept up your hobby or not?
Yes, sir. But I was not doing.
So tell me, name any one of the famous wall painters in the world.
Sir, I don't know about the wall painters, but normal painters.
Yeah.
Sir Vincent Gogh.
Yes, he was normal painting.
So he did the.
Wall painting, Pablo Picasso.
Oh yes, sorry sir, I will
Murals,
read.
Leonardo da Vinci. Besides Mona Lisa, he wall painted also.
Okay, so I was not
Right.
aware about it.
Acrylic painting, what type of acrylic painting you do?
S-
What you use, what colors you use, and what is the theme that you pursue?
Sir, acrylic painting and the colors I use are acrylic, and the theme sir is mainly landscape, and sometimes I also paint flowers.
Okay. What is NTPC
Sir, National Thermal Power Corporation.
and NPT?
Yeah, and non-proliferation treaty.
Treaty.
Yes.
And what is NSG?
Sir, I'm not
National
able.
Security Guards and in international
Nuclear
politics,
Suppliers Group.
Nuclear Supply Group. And what is CCIT?
Sir, I'm not able to recall.
Never mind. Comprehensive Conference on International Terrorism. CTBT?
Sir, Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty.
Treaty. Right. What is CIA?
Sir, Central Investigative Agency.
Agency. Right. Now, my last question. Yesterday, something happened in Maldives. Some new development took place. What was it?
So there was an impeachment motion against the current.
That was the day before. Impeachment motion has not been tabled so far. Against whom?
So the current leader.
Against the president.
Yes, sir. I think his name is Mohammed Muizu.
Yeah. In fact, yesterday, President Muizu said that his party will be approaching Supreme Court for repealing the law which gives power to Parliament to impeach president. Okay, please. Sorry.
Aditi, you have done BTech in mathematics and computing, right?
Yes.
That I understand there are two branches of mathematics. One is regular maths we have, and one is Vedic maths. What is the difference between two kinds of maths?
So Vedic maths, sir, I have a very little exposure about Vedic maths. So it helps in doing calculation very fastly. I have seen some videos on it, but sir, I'm not exactly aware of the differences.
Okay. See, every law has some kind of if and but. The water will cool down if this is so and so, but so and so. Every law. But there is a universal law, rule, you can say rule or law, which has no if and but. And I give you a hint. It is related to your studies so far. What is that universal law? Law or rule, you can say anything. No if and but. You come to this part of the world, it's same law. That part of the world, same law. All four corners of the world, anywhere in the world, law is same. World, not India. Anywhere in the world, it is related to your studies. I'm giving a hint.
So the postulates of mathematics like the addition and subtraction law.
Very good, very good. There are 3 RRs in the education field. What are those 3 RRs? Listen, he is educated. He knows 3 RRs. What are those 3 RRs?
Sorry, sir, I haven't heard about it.
Okay. Your father is in the thermal power plant, right? How many ways we produce power? Can you name all of them? One by one.
So there
Thermal.
are thermal, so hydel power, nuclear power,
Uh,
so gas, so
Gas.
tidal energy. We can also use hydrogen for making power, and so currently I can remember.
Solar.
So solar, sorry, wind.
Wind, yeah.
Yes, sir. So the renewable energy also.
and
And so I think I can remember.
when the light goes in the house, what do we do?
So generator and inventor. Yes, sir.
That also produces power. Right. Okay. Now, my last question is, you are straight from IIT, right?
Yes.
The government has in the last 10 years made many IITs. They've converted NITs, local NITs, in some of them to IITs. It was earlier NIT, now it is becoming IIT, right? What happens? What changes when NIT becomes IIT? Same institution, same people, same work, same studies, same subjects. What does it change when NIT becomes IIT?
So the first thing is because IIT is a brand. So when NIT becomes IIT, so the employable opportunity, the placement, etc. So it becomes much better. So second is that IITs receive much more funding from the central government because they are the university of eminence, institutions of eminence. So second is so this is second. So third is the overall. So there is a good thing when a institute become IIT. So overall, there is a perception that this institute would be better in providing research opportunities.
Curriculum also changes. The biggest thing is curriculum.
So I think sir, IITs are autonomous, so they decide.
They
So
decide
that
their
should
own
have been
curriculum.
first.
In addition to NIT, whatever their curriculum they had, IITs will have their own curriculum. That also changes. The level
And
of
their own
studies,
recruitment method. Walk-in interviews for recruitment.
the level of studies changes. That also. Okay, thank you.
Also the kind of students intake, because it comes through a different exam, I guess. So that also increases, although it is a lot of competition. I would want to know why did you choose the services you have preferred, IAS, then the IPS, and the foreign service? What motivated you to choose a particular service?
So my name Aditi. So my father named Aditi after the collector of Bundi, Aditi Mehta. So this was so while I was growing up, I have heard about all the opportunities that IAS provided to a person. So when I during my graduation, I interacted with a lot of my seniors who have cleared these services, and so which motivated me to prepare for like civil services and particularly IAS. So my second preference is IPS and not IFS because I wanted to serve in the country only. So this is the only reason I have chosen IPS as second, and so then IFS.
Then IFS.
Yes, sir.
So IFS, you put it a little lower in the priority. Anyway, but since you have been in Delhi, you have been in Kota, you are aware of our social environment. So let's see that you go as a district collector, and what areas would you focus? Especially tell us something about. I'm sure women in our society are still a little lagging behind, especially in the rural area. What would be your focus area to bring them to the mainstream or to uplift their life?
So my immediate step would be to make them aware about what are the opportunities that is being provided by the government and by the society to them. So currently, women are very talented, but the reason they are not able to come is because of the social and cultural norms of the society. So I would try to change that by interacting more with at the Gram Panchayat level. I would personally meet with the women so that I can make them aware about the rights. And in the long term, I would like to invest in the education, especially in the school infrastructure. So second would be to provide them the economic opportunities through formation of the SHGs and the access to the institutionalized credit. And so finally would be to provide them a sense of self-worth, which is the requirement for the women empowerment.
There are issues of the domestic violence, which is all across the society, and also the health issues of women. Forget about the open defecation, but still girls up to the age of 11, 12, once they reach a certain age, then they have healthy issues. Would you like to address it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it should be in your focus, I guess.
Yes, sir.
And if you are the SP of your district, so what would be your focus area? I'm sure it would change a bit because of nature of the job.
So first, to ensure the safety for women. So because this is one of the things that I have personally felt everywhere I've gone, even in Kota, even in Delhi. So this would be my priority area, to provide a safe and secure environment to the women. So second would be to ensure that the law and order of the district should remain conclusive for the people to have a good life in the district.
Safety of the woman in the city, how would you ensure that?
So being from a technical background, and currently we see that there is so much innovation in the artificial intelligence and the technology. So I think we can use the technology for providing a better safety for the women.
Like, I wish to know the examples.
So there is there we can make apps which could provide the women a data about which road is much better at security and how many incidents have been happening. So if we have a centralized system in which women can report anonymously that I have been harassed at this time at this place. So we will be having a data that this is the problem, and we can increase the surveillance cameras and the police patrolling in that area. So second, the Internet of Things. So currently we have our phones. So we have our home security, but they are not connected. If we can connect all these things together, it will provide a better security to the women. And so when
Any idea about the police response? Do you have any personal experience of police response?
so I don't have personal experience of.
But whatever you hear from the newspaper or from the people around, do you think there is a need? There is a need to improve the police response or the response from administration?
So there has been improvements, but sir, there is always a scope for much more improvement. So I have heard about there is pink police which have much more women in the policing. So because if there is more public visibility of women officials, it would make women in the public area much more safer.
Okay. Aditi, if you are an officer in the Indian Navy and you are facing the problem of handling the piracy as it is going in Red Sea and other areas, how will you conduct the operation?
So first, I will identify all the routes that are facing the problems. And so second would be to collaborate with the local police or of those countries in the area. And so
In the oceans which is spread over hundreds of miles.
so for currently the area which would be facing these Navy threats, for example, the
Do you know
Red
what
Sea area.
Navy has done yesterday?
So they have deployed the INS Vishakhapatnam.
That is not yesterday, that was way back. 19 Pakistani sailors has been
Was
rescued.
saved, rescued.
Rescued.
So,
That is
sorry,
the
sir, I
news.
didn't read it.
You should be know. That is a different thing. Still, some Pakistanis are not grateful. Anyways, another thing is, it was interesting to see Riddhi Siddhi Nagar.
Yes, sir.
So, what is Riddhi Siddhi?
So Riddhi Siddhi are the wives of Lord Ganesha. So the story goes that because Ganesh ji had the elephant head on his body, no women was willing to marry Lord Ganesha. So he was making a problem for all other gods,
What
gods.
does symbolize basically Riddhi and Siddhi?
So
two
the
words are there.
prosperity,
Okay.
and so currently I remember only prosperity.
Riddhi and Siddhi have meanings. That's why I'm asking.
How many siddhis are there? 8 or 9, I suppose.
Sir, I don't.
Anima, Gadima, Lakhima,
You
then it goes on.
should be knowing. Okay.
Sir, I will read
Since
about
sociology is your subject, I need to ask this. Nowadays, there is an increasing trend, especially in metropolitan cities, of live-in relationships. What is your view on that?
So live-in relationships are becoming much more common because the value system has changed. Earlier, because marriage was much
But are they based on certain values? Live-in relationships.
so it is based on the fact that currently individual has a freedom to have a choice of the partner.
So that you can have within a marriage also?
So marriage is a higher level in which
Or it is a foundation?
so it is not a foundation, but because suppose a person has to live next 10-20 years of their life with the partner, he or she should know about all the value system or the compatibility.
Sometimes it takes the entire life to understand each other.
Yes, sir.
We have so much inside us.
Yes, sir.
So, anyways, if I say intercaste marriages are going on nowadays, should we discourage them, encourage them, or let it be?
So, sir, we should encourage them because, sir, when we talk about the caste system, the basic thing on which it is surviving till now is because there is endogamy. Until and unless these.
So, if you like a boy, you want to marry him, but he is not of your caste, and if your parents are against that, what will you do?
Sir, I will try to reason with them. My parents are very reasonable person. They have always told me about all the all the rationality I have learned is from my father.
That's really good.
So, but even if they don't agree, sir, I would want their approval, and so, sir, I would wait until they approve it.
Okay. Now, if we look at the Eastern societies and the Western societies, in present times, the Western people feel that family as an institution is something which provides strength to a society like India. What is your take on that?
So, I think family as an institution provides strength to to anyone in the family. So, because it provides economic security to the children and to the old age. Then, sir, it provides the emotional security that we need because we are living in a society that it is so competitive that we need someone to provide us the security that you are doing great. And so, third is it provides with the marriage and other cultural.
Okay. One last question. Your father is working in a...
Thermal power plant.
Okay. So there are different forms of energy, or what you can say, there are different ways of producing electricity, right? But what is common in thermal power, or what you can say, nuclear power?
Sir, in these type of production of power, so we are producing the heat, and the heat rotates the turbine. So which to which a generator is connected, which produces the electricity.
So you can mean to say steam is the common thing.
Yes, sir.
And turbine is common in everything?
Not in solar power, sir, because we are using the solar cells.
Okay, right, fine. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.